Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
No secret that AI is making people a lot of money. In fact, in just the last year, I've done over $100,000 in sales using AI. So you're probably wondering, why aren't you making any money from AI yourself? Well, here's the secret. The real money is not from using AI to create content or create images or even answer random questions. The real money in AI is from software. See, everyone wants to use AI and everyone wants software to make it simpler to use. And integrating AI into software sells like hotcakes. And you don't need to just take my word for it. The proof is in the pudding. I've been absolutely crushing it over the last year selling AI software. Now, this all sounds great, but I'm sure you're thinking, I don't know how to create my own AI software. Well, you don't have to, because today you're going to be able to grab 4 done-for-you AI software products that are ready to sell, that you can instantly put your name on and start selling to others. Because I'm taking all of the software development issues out of the equation, and I'm giving you 4 done-for-you, ready-to-profit software programs that you can start selling in just minutes. So I want to quickly walk you through the 4 software programs you're going to get access to that you can start selling to others. The first one is called AI Rewriter, and it is a chat GPT powered software that will rewrite any content with a single click. All the user needs to do is enter in any text they want, and they simply let ChatGPT rewrite all of that content for them. And again, you're going to have access to the software and be able to sell it to others. The second software is called AI Content Creator. Now, this is a chat GPT powered software that will create done-for-you content in a single click. All the user needs to do is ask the software a question and let ChatGPT go out and create the content for them. Again, you're going to be able to sell this product as your own. Now, software number 3 is called AI Product Review Creator. Now, what this software does is it is a ChatGPT powered software that will create done-for-you product reviews on any product you want in a single click. Again, all the user needs to do is enter in the product name of any product they want to review for, and the software will go out using ChatGPT to create the product review for them. So they can go out and start promoting any affiliate products they want, having your software that you can sell them create product reviews for them. And the last software is the AI image creator. Now, this is an AI-powered software that will create images from just a single word. All the user needs to do is enter a word, description, or phrase, and the software will create an AI image for them. And again, you're going to be able to sell this software as your own to other people. Now, the great thing about all four of these softwares is they're all already integrated with AI. You don't need to do any coding. You don't need to do any formatting, putting anything together. They are ready to be sold and are all integrated with ChatGPT. In addition to that, they all work with WordPress as well. Now, we all know WordPress is the #1 tool people use to build websites. So being able to put AI directly inside the WordPress website makes these sell even better. And to get started, all you need to do is purchase the package from the page here. You can download your ready to sell software, and all you need to do is simply give your customers a way to pay. You can sell these on JVZoo, you can sell these on Warrior Plus, on ClickBank. You can simply sell them with a PayPal link. Any payment you want to use, all you need to do is add it to the software and you are ready to go. As a matter of fact, in just a matter of minutes, you'll have 4 done-for-you software programs ready to start earning you sales. And the setup is so easy, you could start grabbing your first sale by later today. That's how quickly you can get this all set up and running and become a software seller. So again, if you're ready to truly crash in on the AI craze, it's not from creating content, making images, filling a website full of AI content. The real money is made from selling AI-related software. And today, you're going to get 4 done-for-you AI software products you can immediately start selling as your own and become a product seller just like that. Now again, each of the 4 software is already integrated with AI. They're fully functional software ready to be used and sold today. So all you need to do is grab your copy, download the software, add a payment link, and you are off to the races. So again, if you're ready to cash in on a huge demand for AI by becoming an AI software seller, grab your package today and go ahead and get started.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.